Okay, as we said, a second method of doing your Coquille St. Jacques is to get puff pastry. You can get this at the grocery store. You can make your own, of course, but the grocery store makes some great ones. And what you need to do is thaw this a little bit. You want to keep it cold, though. You don't want to get warm, and you're going to lose a lot of the puff pastry qualities of puffing up of it. So what we want to do is just go ahead and unfold this. So it comes out into a nice sheet. You don't have to roll it or anything. It's a ton of little layers that would take you a long time to do yourself. So I would use the ramekin itself as a cookie cutter. Just lay it right into the puff pastry. And you've got the right size. Since this doesn't have sharp edges, it won't cut all the way through. But this gives you a good mold for cutting it around. Just like that. On this side. If you make it a little bit smaller, that's even better because that'll fit right into the ramekin really well. And then you can just lift it right out and you've got a perfect lid.